back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the doTERRA Dawn diffuser and humidifier, which is great. A lot of products don't have that option, and it's going to be a great addition to your home and also to your office. It's going to bring you those amazing aromas that doTERRA has to offer, and it is very simple to use. All you gotta do is add a little bit of water and make sure that you put the oil in the right compartment, and you're gonna have that great smelling space, which is gonna clear your head or make it very cozy depending on what you want to add on your essential oil. So let's go ahead and see how to set it up and get it going. So go ahead and get it ready. Make sure that you have it unplugged from the wall just to be safe and you don't get tangled with the cable and then everything drops. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and remove the first top lid. We're just gonna go ahead and put that to the side. And then we have two compartments. We have the upper compartment and we have the lower compartment. The actual top compartment is where the water goes. This line that you see over here all around, that's gonna be your water line. And we're gonna go ahead and fill it up to that level. Remember, as you're pouring water into the top compartment, the water is also gonna be going down to the lower compartment where the oils and the water are gonna diffuse. So after you have the water on the top compartment, go ahead and remove it. And as you can see, you're gonna have some water at the bottom. That's perfectly normal. And from this point, you're gonna go ahead and choose the oils that you wanna go ahead and diffuse. In this case, we're gonna go ahead and use the new Hide. This is gonna be a great cozy blend, especially for this fall season. It's gonna make your space and your home smell amazing. So let's go ahead and put a few drops. What I usually do is I go ahead and put 5 to 7 drops. You can add a little bit more if you would like, but I believe that's optimal, especially for the time that it takes to diffuse the whole tank. But you can go ahead and add more for more intensity. Once you have that, go ahead and grab the top compartment carefully and make sure that the line aligns with the dot. Once you have that, it is gonna be perfect. And go ahead and grab the top lid and place it on top. If you come in closer, you can go ahead and see that there's gonna be water poking out a little bit in the center hole. That's fine. Then go ahead and grab your cable, connect it to the wall, and from here you're all set. All you need to do now is make sure you select the intensity that you would like to put it on. You have 3 dots, the first one being the lowest setting. It's gonna be great if you're in a smaller space like a small office or your room. You can go a little more intense if you have like a kitchen and a living room, or if you really want your space to smell amazing and have the best aroma, go ahead and go the full 3 dots. That's gonna give you a lot of intense aroma, and already you can start smelling that cozy blend, or whichever one you choose. If you want eucalyptus or frankincense, it's great to clear the space. And one more thing, you can have a sleep mode, which is great if you're gonna go out of your space, you're gonna go out of your home, or if you're gonna go to sleep and you don't wanna leave it on the whole night, you can put it on sleep mode, and after a while, it's gonna turn off by itself. And it also reduces the amount of air coming out of the humidifier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to help you. And please come back for more tips and videos on essential oils. Thank you.